students, how are you? Fine. Okay. So in previous class, I will started the chapter means most important chapter of your syllabus, matrices, right? And from matrices, I think 4 to 5 questions in your JEE Mains exam, and this chapter is very important for your board level. Okay. So what's the chapter name? Matrices. Okay, so tell me anyone how many topics we will cover till date in this chapter particularly? Exactly. The definition of matrices, order of matrices, okay, and types of matrices, right? आज जो मैं आपको करा रही हूँ वो बेसिकली मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपके जेईई मेंस एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं एंड बेसिकली दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर सीबीएसई एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? सो टेल राइट डाउन contain basically two parts, and the first part I will discuss with you all and second part is for your homework, right? So write down the solution of this question. Solution first. 2 cross 2 matrix. Here A is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Then what is the representation of matrix A? A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. Right? Up to tell me anyone what A11 what says means this element can be obtained by first row and first column. Okay, recall first lecture. What is representation of Aij? Aij means this is the element of ith row, this suffix index row, and this represent column. Okay, and A12 means this is the element of first row and second column. Similarly, A13 will be the element of first row and third column, right? So A22. Our purpose is to find A11. A11 means A11 is equal to, we are given that Aij is equal to I plus j. Right? Now our purpose is to find A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay? So A11 will be, here the value of I is equal to 1 and the value of j is equal to 1. So we put here the value of I and j, right? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay? A12 is equal to 1 plus 2. Okay, what we can do here we add only the suffix I plus j. In A11 we add 1 plus 1 which gives 2. Okay, and A12 we add 1 plus 2 which gives 3. Right, similarly A13 is equal to I plus j means 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and A14 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Clear? Now put the value of A11, A12, A13 and A14 in this equation. Okay, putting the values of A11, A12, A21 and A22 in equation 1. answer of this question. Our purpose is to find only the matrix, nothing else, right? So we can take A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay, this is the answer of the question. Now second part, which is given for your homework, this is a similar type of question. Okay, AIJ means A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, just we put 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. Okay, and we can obtain as similar result. Okay, so try this question in your home. Okay, and this question is basically not in your for the JEE exam. This is most important question for your CBSE examination, right? So next topic, put your next topic. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. Right. So I think आपने class 10th में you have to discuss how to add 2 plus 3, how to add minus 2, minus 5. Okay. But the question arises, how we add 2 matrices, how we subtract 2 matrices, and how we multiply 2 matrices. Okay. So answer will be, write down, I will dictate. If A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij, be the two matrices of same order, be the two matrices of same order, which is whose element is obtained by addition of corresponding elements. Whose element is obtained by addition of corresponding elements. Okay. Now the question arises, what this definition says exactly. Okay. So A plus B क्या represent कर रहा है? Addition of these two matrices. So A plus B will be M cross N is equal to Aij plus Bij M cross. Okay. Continue the given statement and their subtraction is defined by and their subtraction is defined by A minus B N cross N is equal to Aij minus Bij M cross. Okay, this is a definition which we want to write in this heading. Okay, now I will tell you what this definition actually says, right? So can I rub this side? Okay. Let us take an example for understanding the definition, right? So take the example. If we take two matrices, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5. This is the element of this matrix, 1, 2, 3 and 5, right? And B is equal to 6, 2, 1 What is the order of this matrices? Exactly, 2 cross 2. Because here 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Okay, so the order of this matrix will be 2 cross 2. Here this matrix order will be, tell me anyone from this side. Exactly, 2 cross. Okay, now the question arises how we add these two matrices. According to this definition we can follow here. Okay, so solution will be, solution, our purpose is to find the addition of these two matrices, right? So find, question incomplete था, complete करो, find A plus B. Okay, so A plus B is equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21 and A22 plus B22. Now what is A11, A11, A12, B11, B12? What the things here written? Just we compare. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5 is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. Right, this is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. Okay, so and if we compare these matrices to 1, 0, 2 cross 2 is equal to B11, B12, B21 and B22. This is also of order 2 cross 2, right? Now, if we add A plus B, then what can I obtain? Put these values in this one. Okay, so A plus B will be A11 plus B11. A11 plus B11 means 1 plus 6. Okay, so 1 plus 6 and 2 and 5. 2 and 2, 2 plus 2. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. And last one is 5 plus 0, right? 5 plus 0. Okay. So A plus B is equal to 7, 4, 4 and 5. This is the thing that the given definition says. Means how we add two matrices? We have to add the corresponding elements of the both matrices. Okay. Now other question, other example if we take. Write down example 2. Example 2. If we take A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 0 and B is equal to 1, 5, 6, 2. Right? Then the question is that how we find A minus B or how we find the matrix A minus B, right? So find A minus B. Tell me everyone, what is the order of this matrix? I will already discuss in lecture number 1. Exactly. This is 2 cross 2. Okay. And this matrix is of order 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2. Okay. Now the question arises how we find subtraction of these matrices. Okay. So concentrate here. Solution. A minus B 2 cross 2 is equal to, we have to subtract like that, where we add the elements and here we subtract the element. Means first element is subtracted by the first element of other matrix, right? So 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 and 0 minus 2. Okay, so 0 minus 2. What is A minus B 2 cross 2? Tell me. Just we subtract students, nothing is to bother about that. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 5 will be minus 4. 1 minus 6 will be minus 5 and 0 minus 2 will be minus 2. And this is the answer of the question. Okay. So tell me anyone, any problem in these two examples? Exactly. Now take the question for your homework. Question first. If A is equal to 0, 5, 1, 5 and B is equal to 6, 7, minus 2, 3, then find first A plus B and second one is A minus. Okay. This question is similar to that question which is already explained. Okay. So we add two matrices and we subtract second matrix. Okay. So this is the question for your leave that half pages I think, and after that note. Write down no. This is very important. Okay. So what is the condition for two matrices? Means can we add any of the matrices in the universe, or we can take any particular type of matrices for addition? Tell me anyone, any idea? I will tell you. Actually we cannot any type of matrices. We can add only that matrix whose order is same. Means if we take the matrix A is equal to 2 cross 3, then the matrix must be of order 2 cross 3. Means the addition and subtraction of matrices is possible only when the order of the matrix will be same. Okay, we cannot take the matrix A is of order 1 cross 2 and matrix B of order 3 cross 1. Okay, so addition of matrices I think can't be possible. Okay, so write down the addition and subtraction of matrices is possible only when matrices are of same order. Okay, matrices are of same order. Right, we cannot add, just take it for example, we cannot, if we take 2, 1, 3, 4, this is a matrix of 2 cross 2 order. Okay, and B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4, 1, and this is a matrix of order, tell me anyone? Exactly, this is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. And anyone if want to add the given matrices, then the matrix addition is not possible here, because we can take here 2 cross 2 matrix and we can take here 3 cross 3 matrix, and we already know that matrix addition is possible only when the both matrices are of same order. Right, so this is possible when we can take the given matrix is of order 2 cross 1, 3, 4, 5. So 2 cross. Okay. Now your next heading will be scalar multiplication of matrices. Scalar multiplication down the definition. If A be a matrix of order m cross n, if A be a matrix of order m cross n, and K be a number small k, A be a matrix of order m cross n, and small k, and small k will be a number, small k will be a number, then the matrix which is obtained by multiplying the all elements of matrix A, multiplying the all elements of matrix A is called the scalar multiplication of matrices. Is called the scalar multiplication of matrices. Okay, this is a matrix of n cross n and this is the matrix. Now the question arises, what this definition says. Okay, so let us take a matrix A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Right? Now tell me anyone, what is the order of this matrix? Here 3 rows and 3 columns. So order will be 3 cross. Right? And what the even statement says, scalar multiplication of matrices means if we multiply, let us take K is equal to AKA. Okay, so we have to multiply by K in each element of this matrix, isn't it? KA1, KA1, KB1, KC1, KA2, KB2 and KC2. Similarly, we can multiply K in third row also, then KA3, KB3 and KC. Okay, this is called the scalar multiplication of matrices, isn't it? Let us take an example. Write down example. If we take a 2 cross 2 matrix, A is equal to, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5 and K is equal to 2, then find K. Okay, we have to find KA. Means if we multiply K is equal to 2 in each and every element of that matrix, then we can got KA. Okay, K means we are given that solution, given that A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Okay, and given K is equal to 2. Okay, now 2 into A is equal to 2 into 2. We have to multiply this 2 by each and every element of that matrix. Okay, so 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4 and 2 into 5. Isn't it? Now 2A is equal to 4, 6, 8 and this is called the scalar multiplication of matrices. Right? So this is the class for today, and yes, tomorrow I will discuss some important properties of